Good morning, traders. Coming to you, it's Monday at 11:30 a.m. Central Time. Video's coming out a little bit late. Was at the Traders Expo Las Vegas this past weekend. Did a presentation creating a trading plan, which you can find on the blog. It's posted up there, the presentation in the PowerPoint. This week, shortened week. Here today, we have this week we have Thursday closed for Thanksgiving. Friday is going to be a half day, so the market's going to close 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lots of news on Wednesday, particularly Tuesday we have GDP. Wednesday, lots of goodies coming out. New home sales, durable goods, jobless claims, income and outlays is all on Wednesday. And again, with Tuesday, we have GDP, Case-Shiller's HPI, and consumer confidence all on Tuesday. So should be a little jam-packed week here, short and sweet. Looking for some continued upside in this pre-holiday season. Typically, you do get a little Santa Claus rally, as it's called, into the Christmas holiday. So we'll see what we get this year. Looking in front of us here, we have a chart of the dollar. Didn't get much follow through last week. Kind of spiked above the 76 level and then came right back down. So we're still in this downtrend, still near these lows here around the 75 level. So until we break and close outside of this level, we continue to chop around in the dollar. I'm going to go through here and kind of show you how I have my charts and my screen set up here. In this upper left section here, this is the Thinkorswim platform I'm on. This upper section here, I have the indices, top line figures here, as well as the VIX. I have my futures below that corresponding. So I have the S&P, and then the first one on my futures list, I have the E-minis, and then Dow minis, and so on. I also have treasuries in here, gold, and the dollar. And then below that I have the spider sector ETFs listed below. So this way I can see, and I usually sort them by positive to negative. So the strongest ones are shown on top here. So I can quickly get a glance of what's going on in the market, what sectors are strong, and if there's any divergences. Next over here I have the market internal setup. So I have on the left side of my screen I have the NYSE, and then the right side the NASDAQ. So I have the market breadth on top. So NYSE would be here, NASDAQ here. Below that I have the AD line, advancers to decliners. So again, NYSE and then NASDAQ. Below that I have the TRIN, and then on the bottom I have the tick. So the breadth is simply, at least in TOS charts here, it's a $ UVOL minus $ DVOL, and that gives us the market breadth, the advancing volume minus the declining volume, so a net of the volume. Below that, the AD line is simply the advancers minus decliners, so the advancing stocks minus the number of declining stocks to get us a net number. And the ticker symbol for that is $ADVN minus $DECN. Below that we have the TRIN, $TRIN, and below that the tick, $TICK. And the NASDAQ is the same ticker symbols, you just add a /Q to the end of it. So for instance, the tick here would be $TICK/Q. So that's how I have my screen set up here. We can see the internals are pretty strong today as far as, we have a net of 1,800 stocks positive. The tick has been relatively strong all day, more positive ticks than negative ticks, but we have come in here during this last hour or so, but tend to get a little slowdown during the lunch hour. So breadth continues to increase as compared to yesterday. This is I'm sorry, I forgot to mention 15-minute segment blocks here. So this is yesterday's price action, the open right here, and continuing on throughout the day. So we have 2 days so we can compare today's action to yesterday's action. So that's how I have my screen set up, and check out the blog tjmactrading.com for more video updates. And we'll talk to you later. Take care.